আমি সুজয়। আইকন পরিবারে সকলকে স্বাগত জানিয়ে আজকের ক্লাস শুরু করছি।
এগুলো হলো আমার ইয়ার ওয়াইজ অ্যাচিভমেন্টস। আজ আমরা 22শে নভেম্বর থেকে 30শে নভেম্বর পর্যন্ত যত ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স রয়েছে সেগুলি পড়ব। তোমরা যদি এই কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সের পিডিএফ পেতে চাও তাহলে আমাদের টেলিগ্রাম চ্যানেলে জয়েন করো। তাহলে চলো আজকের কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সটি এক ঝলকে দেখে নিই। Which life insurance company has Ananda, a digital application for agents for onboarding to get a life insurance policy? Life Insurance Corporation of India. The Reserve Bank of India has rejected which NBFC's proposal to acquire IDBI Asset Management Company on the ground of synergy? Muthoot Finance. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a penalty of rupees 1 crore on which public sector bank for unauthorized ATM operations? Punjab National Bank. Which bank has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Luxembourg Stock Exchange to set up a long-term cooperation mechanism and promote environmental, social and corporate governance and green finance? State Bank of India. With which bank the Inventivepreneur Chamber of Commerce and Industries has signed an MoU to support small and medium-sized enterprises and startups? HDFC Bank. Which payments bank has collaborated with PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited to launch Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana? India Post Payments Bank. The P.K. Mohanty constituted by the Reserve Bank of India has recommended raising the cap on promoters' shareholding in private sector banks to what percent of the paid-up equity capital? 26%. Reserve Bank of India imposed restriction on withdrawals from which urban cooperative bank for 6 months? Mantha Urban Cooperative Bank. Luxury car maker Mercedes-Benz has partnered with which bank to offer attractive financial benefits on owning a Mercedes-Benz? State Bank of India. Union Cabinet has approved the merger of crisis-ridden Lakshmi Vilas Bank Limited with which bank? DBS Bank. The report titled FDI in India Now, Next and Beyond has been prepared by which organization along with Ernst and Young Global Limited, according to which India may foreign direct investment of $120 to $160 billion per year by 2025. Confederation of Indian Industry. Muthoot Finance, in partnership with which company, launched a gold jewelry insurance scheme called Gold Shield? Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. Which bank has launched an SMS pay functionality on POS terminals, which enables merchants to accept contactless payments from customers? Yes Bank. Which fintech company has corporate cards in collaboration with Visa to provide relief and stabilize the financial operations of COVID-19 affected startups and SMEs? Razorpay. As per the data released by the Union Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, India's GDP contracted by what percent in the quarter ending September 2020? 7.5%. Veteran politician Tarun Gogoi passed away recently. He was former Chief Minister of which state? Assam. Renowned personality Ahmed Patel passed away recently. He was a veteran politician. Legendary footballer Diego Maradona passed away recently. For which country did he play? Argentina. Sahitya Academy Award winner Shaikh Khaja Hussain was a noted poet, journalist, scriptwriter of which language who passed away recently? Telugu. Renowned personality Fakir Chand Kohli passed away recently. He was a veteran industrialist. Renowned personality Sadid Al-Mahdi passed away recently. He was an elected Prime Minister of which country? Sudan. Renowned personality James Wolfson passed away recently. He was former president of World Bank. The International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women is celebrated worldwide on which date? 25th November. The National Law Day is observed on which date to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution in India? 26th November. In India, the National Milk Day is observed every year on which date? 26th November. The International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people is observed every year on which date? 29th November. The United Nations Day of Remembrance for all victims of chemical warfare is observed every year on 30th November.
Greg Barclay, who appointed as the new chairman of International Cricket Council, belongs to which country? New Zealand. Who has been appointed as the new engineer-in-chief of Indian Army? Lieutenant General Harpal Singh. Who is going to be nominated as the director of the Office of Management and Budget by the US President Joe Biden? Neera Tanden. The Union Information Technology Minister Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad launched the international version of which mobile application? Umang. What is the name of the cyclone that hit the coastal area of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Puducherry recently? Nivar. What is the theme of the 23rd edition of Bengaluru Tech Summit 2020? Next is now. According to Global Employability Ranking and Survey 2020, which Indian institution has been ranked as the best institute in terms of employability of its students? Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi. Food Processing Minister Narendra Singh Tomar inaugurated a mega food park in which state recently? Punjab. Who will chair the expert committee constituted by the Niti Aayog to explore the technological and commercial viability of the Virgin Hyperloop technology for ultra-high speed travel in India? V.K. Saraswat. 2 days 80th All India Presiding Officer Conference was held in which place that was inaugurated by President Ramnath Kovind and concluding session addressed by PM Narendra Modi? Kevadia, Gujarat. Who has inaugurated the 3rd Global Renewable Energy Investors Meet and Expo virtually? Narendra Modi. Indian Railways collaborated with which business school for a study on an integrated coal freight optimization model to increase network throughput and optimize freight transportation over Indian Railway? Indian School of Business, Hyderabad. FLO, the women wing of the FICCI, has signed an agreement with which IIM and Incubation and Enterprise Support Center to mentor entrepreneur? Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. What is the theme of the 3rd Global Renewable Energy Investor Meet and Expo? Innovation for Sustainable Energy Transition. PM Narendra Modi unveiled which university's centennial commemorative coin of Rs 100 over a virtual platform? University of Lucknow. Union Minister of Education Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank chaired the virtual national conference on empowering through zero. The conference was organized by which NGO? Sri Aurobindo Society. Who has inaugurated Honey Farmer Producer Organization program in 5 states for producing honey? Narendra Singh Tomar. Who launched the Indian Climate Change Knowledge Portal? Prakash Javadekar. The Government of India has approved the construction of Song Dam drinking water project worth Rs 1,100 crore in Dehradun. The International Cherry Blossom Festival hosted every year by which state or UT that has been cancelled this year due to COVID-19 pandemic? Meghalaya. India's first moss garden was inaugurated in which state? Uttarakhand. First cow hospital of Northeast inaugurated in which state? Assam. In which state Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Har Ghar Nal Yojana to provide tap water for every household? Uttar Pradesh. Which state has set a target to become a USD 50 billion biotechnology market by 2025? Karnataka. Which state or UTs has launched the Him Suraksha Abhijan to collect real-time data on the health profile of entire state? Himachal Pradesh. The 10th edition of prestigious National Science Film Festival was organized by Vigyan Prasad Department of Science and Technology and Council of Science and Technology of which state? Tripura. Which state government has launched Government at Doorstep scheme? West Bengal. Which state government has launched a mobile phone based application for the benefit of the general public to reach out to the fire and rescue services when in need? Tamil Nadu. Which state government has signed a letter of understanding with United Nations World Food Programme for proposed participation to achieve food and nutritional security goals? Rajasthan. The Asia Pacific Economic Corporation Summit was recently hosted by which country? Malaysia. According to Worldwide Cost of Living annual report from the Economist Intelligence Unit, which group of cities emerged as the most expensive cities of the world? Hong Kong, Paris and Zurich. With which country India signed Memorandum of Understanding in the field of biodiversity conservation and environment protection? Finland. Which country is all set to become the first Arab Gulf country and probably the last to generate electricity from coal? United Arab Emirates. India has revived the Indian Ocean Troika with which two countries to promote the meaningful cooperation in the Indian Ocean region on maritime security? Maldives and Sri Lanka. The Hualong 1 is a first domestically made nuclear reactor of which country that goes online recently? China. Which country has hosted the Heads of Government Council meeting of the 8 Nations Shanghai Cooperation Organization? India. Who has been bestowed with the 2020 Aditya Bikram Birla Kalashikar Puraskar at annual Sangeet Kala Kendra Awards? Nasiruddin Shah. Who has received the Vatayan Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 for his contribution to the literary works of India? Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Which web series has won the Best Drama Series honor at the 40th International Emmy Awards? Delhi Crime. Which tiger reserve received the first ever international award TX2 for doubling the number of tigers in 4 years against a target of 10 years? Pilibhit Tiger Reserve. Name the 40-year-old Indian student who won the prestigious 5th Children's Climate Prize 2020 for designing a mobile ironing cart using solar panels to power a steam iron box rather than conventional charcoal? Vinisha Umashankar. Name the person who recently bagged a Grammy Awards nomination in the Best Latin Pop or Urban Album category? Neha Mahajan and Ricky Martin. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports granted the annual recognition as a National Sports Federation to which sports association? Archery Association of India. Who has set a new national record in winning the 16th Airtel Delhi Half Marathon? Avinash Sable. Which country topped the FIFA ranking in November 2020? Belgium. What is India's rank in the recently released FIFA ranking? 104th. Who has authored the book on the life and ideas of Guru Nanak Dev, the founder of Sikhism and first of its 10 gurus, released by the PM Narendra Modi? Kripal Singh. India successfully test-fired the land attack version of which supersonic missile? BrahMos. The Defense Research Development Organization recently flagged off the first Varunastra designed and developed by the Bharat Dynamics Limited. It is a torpedo. Change 5 lunar mission has been launched by which country, the first probe in 4 decades to bring back rock samples from the moon from its previously unexplored portion? China. From which country the Indian Navy has taken 2 Sea Guardian drones on lease to enhance surveillance over the Indian Ocean region? USA. এটাই ছিল আজকের শেষ কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স। তোমরা যারা বিভিন্ন কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সামের প্রিপারেশান নিচ্ছ তারা যদি এইভাবেই সাপ্তাহিক কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স পেতে চাও তাহলে আমাদের চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখো। যদি ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগে তাহলে একটি লাইক করে দিও আর বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করে দিও। তাহলে আজকের ভিডিওটি এখানেই শেষ করছি, আবার দেখা হবে নেক্সট ক্লাসে। বাই।